The aluminum catch pan kit consists of the pan itself and a disposable liner. The pan sits beneath the grill's drop pan. It catches any drippings or grease that don't burn off while grilling. The aluminum liner makes it quick and easy to clean the catch pan. Replacing the catch pan is simple to do, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The catch pan is located on top of the shelf inside your grill's cabinet. It just simply lifts away from the shelf. Now I can install the new catch pan. The kit comes with a new liner. I'll place that inside the catch pan, and now I can place this assembly back on top of the shelf. And that's all it takes to replace the aluminum catch pan kit on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.